no more?
Why, now you want to be on camera?
Well, I said, let's do it the right way.
Well, I've worked in advertising before, and you do have to have consent.
Thank you. Like, are you guys doing anything? Like, pictures you're not supposed to be taking? Can I get your guys' names by?
Welcome to the Gulf Coast. This is episode 5 of our big 2023 coast-to-coast road trip. And today we're in a town called Ocean Springs, Mississippi. And as usual, we're gonna walk around downtown, take some photos, take some video, and see what kind of interesting stuff we can see. So stay tuned. And for anybody who's new here, we are on a massive coast-to-coast road trip. We started out in Palm Desert, California. We're on our way to New York, and then we're heading down to the Keys. So if you want to come along for the ride and you like this video, make sure you subscribe, turn on notifications.
Hey, make it out there, Watchmen.
What's up?
What's happening? Welcome to Ocean Springs.
Yeah.
Ready to go see what's going on?
Let's check it out.
Let's take a walk.
No, the damn paparazzi follow me wherever I go.
Yeah. See? Do I need to sign something for you guys?
Hold on, man.
Like that. You want pictures from him? Too late, I already took it.
Why?
Why not?
What is
Beautiful
this for?
day, man.
But what is this for?
You got a cool hat on, looking good today, feeling good, I'm sure, right?
What is this?
What is what?
What are y'all doing?
Just taking some pictures and video, man, enjoying the day.
Come on, man.
Yep. I'm going to use your image and make $1 million. That's what I'm going to do. Have a good day, buddy. Enjoy yourself.
Well, you're gonna take a picture of me. Let's do it the right way.
How's that?
Hold that. Let me at least get in the stance that I want to get in.
Oh, I don't want to hold your stuff.
Well, how are we gonna do it?
How am I going to do what?
I want. All right, you say you want.
I'm already done, man.
Oh, you're not taking no more?
What, now you want to be on camera?
Well, I said, let's do it the right way.
Oh, I already did it the right way. Right is very subjective.
Huh?
Right is very subjective.
Yeah.
But it's all good. For a guy that doesn't want to be on camera, you came back.
Yeah.
Surprise.
No, but what do you guys like through an agency or?
I can't discuss it, man. I'm taking audio, video. I'm supposed to be doing what I'm doing. I got a certain amount of daylight left. Really can't get into it.
Oh, okay.
What y'all are videoing for? Hi.
Just making a video.
Okay. I'm just curious because there's someone that's complaining about it, and so as a business owner, I just want to know like where it's going to be. Do you not have to have consent for things that you video of people in it if you're going to be posting it in a public place?
I'm not a lawyer.
Well, I've worked in advertising before, and you do have to have consent. So
I can't hear you because of that truck. I'm sorry.
I used to work in advertising, and you do have to have consent. I don't care if you're posting about the shop, but the people, you need to have consent. So I'm just wondering where exactly this is being posted.
I have to have consent to take pictures of people where? Out on the sidewalk?
Video of people if you're posting it in a public place.
Who told you that?
I worked in advertising.
You didn't pay attention.
Okay. Why can't you tell me what y'all are doing?
Well, I didn't really appreciate the attitude. I don't know.
I didn't have attitude when I walked up.
I
I don't even know who he is. I'm just
don't know who
curious.
he is either.
I'm just curious for my
Well, I'm
own.
really not interested in explaining myself.
Wow. Okay.
Well, you have bad information, so that just separates me from the conversation.
Well, you have attitude, and so
No, I'm not trying
yes,
to-
you do.
No, not at all.
I'm just wondering why. I
So if I
asked
don't wanna
this
have a
gentleman.
I'm trying to be polite, but if I don't want to have a conversation with you, then I have attitude.
You are not polite, sir.
Okay. That's your
So-
subjective opinion.
Right, and this is your subjective opinion that you don't have to tell me anything.
Absolutely.
I just want to know
All
what
right, well,
exactly.
You have a good day then. Thank you.
Wow. Okay. Then I'll.
Carry on. Off you go. Toodaloo.
Yeah, guys, so the guy who kept coming up to our camera saying he didn't want to be on it went into that Moxie store. Then the lady who works there comes out and tries to tell us we're not allowed to take people's video.
Hi, how are you?
How's it going?
Packaging up today, right?
Yeah.
Enjoy it.
Yeah, I think so.
Mine's bigger, I win.
I doubt that.
Oh, we're not done, I'll hang out. What are we gonna do? Stand here and take pictures of each other?
This is the third person from that Moxie store to come out and hassle us over taking some video at a downtown area here.
Oh, okay. Well, have a better day. Comfortable? Good seat? Excellent.
Oh no, they're both out there.
Wow, what a couple of
So
Look, this is the lady that's on all people's videos. Up on the street.
yeah, these are the people from Moxie Shop that don't want people taking video.
What are y'all doing?
I'm sorry?
What are y'all filming?
Making a video.
Huh?
Making a video
For who?
for myself.
Yeah, doing what?
Well, I'm just doing my thing.
Doing anything? You know, you gotta get waivers on a lot of that.
Waiver? No, you know.
Just saying.
Bakery. I don't think I saw a bakery. Where am I gonna go? What are you guys doing? Good shot.
Think? You guys need to check it out.
There's a bakery around here somewhere. No, I'm good. I don't need broke.
Gluten.
No.
How old are you?
Probably about your age. How old are you?
Too old.
What do you mean too old? What does that mean?
To the point to where I'm concerned about what you eat.
So you're 56.
I watch my sugar.
56, am I right?
Close. But you gotta work out every day, dude.
Oh, I
You
do.
gotta-
I do.
You have to.
Yeah.
Not
You
like
got some- you got
not
some-
like him. You gotta like.
You got some guns there? What do you
No,
got?
no. But
Yeah,
you
yeah,
have
yeah,
to.
check that out.
Yeah.
53 years old, not
Yeah.
bad, right?
No. You got to take care of yourself as you get older.
Absolutely. Got to stay away from the bakery, though.
He should be listening to us.
Oh, he takes better care of himself than I do. Yeah. That was fascinating.
Bizarro land around here.
I know. All right, so want to keep it moving?
Yeah, sure.
Don't need anybody to pose or anything?
Sure.
Oh,
You want to?
I got some pretty girls here that be happy to pose.
We're good there, yeah.
You know what? The best pictures are the ones where people didn't post.
That's true, Peter. That's true.
But enjoy your day, and I appreciate your friendly attitude. Thank you, and your smile, too.
Sir.
Thank you.
I like people.
I like most of them.
Yeah, most of them.
Yeah. We are, yes. Oh, you're good.
This way, Haley. You're going the wrong way. Cars this way.
Hey man, how are you?
How's it going?
Doing good yourself?
Good.
Hey, I'm Officer One Hollow with Ocean Springs. We just
I'm sorry, I missed the beginning of that.
So I'm Officer One Hollow with Ocean Springs Police
Okay.
Department.
How are you
So,
today?
Doing good, you guys. How are you guys doing?
Good.
Excellent.
Doing well?
So we just got a couple calls. I guess some people were going to you guys, wondering like what's all going on, and just a little nervous. That's about it. So just trying to figure out.
I don't look scary. do I?
No, not at all. I actually do like the shirts. So
I know, thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you.
So no, I'm just trying to
Appreciate
figure out what's all going on. That's
Cool.
it. So are you guys?
Just what you see.
Okay. Are you
That's
guys
it.
filming inside of the businesses? Are you guys
Some,
doing
sure.
anything?
Yeah, yeah.
Like, are you guys doing anything? Like pictures you're not supposed to be taking?
I wouldn't even know what that is.
Just of females walking by, doing everything else
I've
like that?
probably taken pictures of
Okay.
females walking
So,
by.
well, I
for
mean,
sure.
are you guys
Yep.
have you guys talked to the Chamber of Commerce or anything else like that? Because I know other people have already they called. Okay,
No.
all right, cool. You guys just doing it for Facebook, TikTok? Doing anything else like that?
I don't know. Like, is there an issue with taking pictures?
No, you guys are completely fine. I'm just trying to figure out what's all going on.
I just get a little on guard when you start talking about taking pictures of women and that kind of stuff.
No, I'm just trying
Just so you know, this is my son.
Oh, that's fine. That's fine. Like I said, I'm Officer Winhola, so yeah, I'm just trying to figure out what's all going on.
No, we're just out enjoying the day, man.
Okay, cool. Yeah, no, that's it.
Having fun, taking pictures of whatever's going on. Life as it happens, I like to say.
I completely understand. Some people might just get offended if they say, hey, can you please not take a picture? Can you just do them a favor and just not do that?
I don't do that, no.
Okay, if someone does come to you and say, hey, can you please don't?
What? I don't go out of my way to upset anybody, but if somebody wants to walk up in front of my camera...
Oh, no, that's completely fine.
But you know, when you do what I do, same as when you do what you do, I get all kinds of different reactions.
Oh, no.
I just had a couple of people walk up and say, would you take our picture? And pose for me. It's, you know, so...
No, you completely do that.
Yeah, so I just do what I do, and everybody else does what they do, and if they call you, you get a chance to educate them.
Yeah, I'm just saying, maybe somebody might come by and say, hey, please don't take a picture of me.
Well, I'll tell you why I don't play that. A, because I'm a photographer, and that's what I do. B, if somebody walked up to me and said, I don't like the shirt you have on, it's really giving me a headache, can you take it off? I'm not going to take my shirt off.
It's completely fine. So, cool. Yeah. Can I get your guys' names by any chance? If it's all right?
Why would I do that?
I just want to just double check. That's it.
Yep.
So, all right, cool. That's it. You guys have a good night.
All right,
or good night. I don't know why I say night. Well, I'm almost.
Yeah,
I got my.
Excellent.
There you go.
And I would like to thank you for your professionalism.
Oh, yeah, no, it's no problem. No problem.
But just keep in mind that guys have, you know, have you ever, I'm sure you're the kind of guy that watches little TV, like history.
I love history. That's my favorite thing.
See, how did I know? Wouldn't it be cool, and I've said this before to people, but wouldn't it be cool if we could turn on the tube, right, and watch Butch Cassidy and the Sundance Kid on video, coming in off the trail, going into a saloon? But what I'm saying is imagine if you could actually watch that on video. There were no cameras then. Yeah. So 100 years from now, people would be able to see what was going on in Ocean Springs for that.
Yeah.
Right? Well,
maybe if we're still around.
Well, I won't be around 100 years from now. I can assure you that, but I wish you the best of luck.
All right, cool. Thanks, you guys. Have a good one.
Have a good one.
Oh, good. And I was going to actually stick my head in the door before we left. Just thank you, guys. I appreciate you. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you.
I got you.
What's up, fellas?
Oh, now I gotta aim my lens on.
What's going on, y'all? What we got doing?
Takes a video, takes a picture. Appreciate you, man.
Absolutely, man. What we using it for?
I can't get a hard time with a guy with a good beard, right?
Fair enough. Fair enough. Or, you know, same haircut.
Yeah, I was gonna say, my beard actually used to look like that.
What we doing?
Your place, and you just work it?
I'm just general manager.
Oh, there you go.
Just general manager.
Don't say just general manager. You do all the work. I know,
I'm a guy that sits behind a desk and files for a lot of permits and stuff.
That's all right. It's worse things to do, right? Yeah. No, we're just walking around town, get some video and interesting pictures, seeing what's good, man, seeing what's going on.
We definitely got a beautiful place. So.
It is a beautiful place. Yeah, this is a great angle right here.
I was hoping y'all were the FBI or something.
Yeah.
Is that your surveillance van?
No. Yeah, it could be, right? I should have said yes.
Well, guys, enjoy your
afternoon. Right on, man. I appreciate you.
If y'all need some dinner or something, come on in and have some food with us.
Thank you so much, man. You have a good day. You're making a mess.
All over the place.
So, man.
What's up, bro?
How y'all doing?
All right, how you doing?
I'm being nosy. What y'all doing? But what y'all do? Are y'all doing it for like a magazine?
No.
Oh, you just taking down downtown Ocean Springs?
Well, we're doing it for. I'm not allowed to get into it.
Oh, my bad.
No, you're good.
Okay. I
appreciate you.
I'm nosy.
Nothing wrong with that. Just out enjoying the day, taking some pictures.
It's gorgeous today. Y'all picked a great day.
Yeah, we did.
Perfect. Y'all have a good one.
You too.
You too.
Sorry.
Thank you.
I love your beard.
Oh, thank you. Thank
What
you
are
so much.
y'all doing all the cameras for, can I ask?
Just taking some pictures and video. Documenting
Hey.
my life.
Can you please take a video? Hey, girls, come here. Can you please take... Oh, I don't want to get y'all run over.
Excuse me. Hello. Don't run into people.
Thank you.
Fool.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Give me some dap.
Right on.
Come here. Look, I just bought my girl her first box set. Can you take
Want to get a picture of you? Sure.
Please.
Absolutely. Let me get one more. Hold on. Go do that again. You guys look fantastic.
Thank you very
Appreciate
much.
you. Y'all
have
have a good
a
day.
very blessed
Have a great day.
Thank you. You too. Thank you. I'll take some pictures.
Huh?
I'll take some pictures.
Of what?
I'm having a hard time hearing you on this day.
Of what? I don't want a picture
Oh,
taken.
of you right now.
Huh?
Of you right now at the bank. Whatever's going on. Is that a problem?
No, you just can't take pictures inside the bank, but I just,
Can't take pictures inside the bank? Well, I'm not going in.
yeah. No.
I'm not interested in going in.
Okay.
Unless you invite me in for lunch or something.
We don't have much in here.
Appreciate you anyway.
Hey there, how are you doing?
Hello.
Nice.
No one's way.
No, not at all. Oh, you take pictures too?
Yeah.
Oh, very cool. What do you shoot?
Mainly seniors. Sometimes
Senior-
wedding. Yeah, seniors, weddings.
Like now, you're no
Oh.
gig. You're just out taking pictures.
Oh, no, she's just on her way.
Oh, cool.
Yeah,
So what do you do? Portraits?
yeah.
Very cool.
Yeah.
I appreciate
yeah.
you. Thanks.
Yeah.
Have a good one.
Have fun.
Wonderful day.
Yeah, you too. Thank you.
All right, guys, you saw how that went here in Ocean Springs, Mississippi. That was episode 5 of our big coast-to-coast road trip. And got to check out the town, take some photos, take some video as usual. And you guys got to come along for the ride. So if you enjoyed this video, you like what we do, and you want to come along for the rest of the road trip, best way to do that is to like, comment, subscribe, turn on notifications, and check out my other social medias. So watching The Watchmen, out with Amagansett Press here in Ocean Springs, Mississippi. See you on the next one, guys. Out.